You were leaving me on silent, but when you left you weren't silent. Weren't trying to hide the fact that I ain't you. Used to be my room a cyan blue, always turning up the brightness. You said you wanna see me shine even in the night. Guess it was a lie, 'cause I call you in it straight to sorry I can't make it on my favorite.
Hi guys, I'm currently cooking, but I wanted to pop in and just say something quickly. So welcome to a new vlog. If you're new, welcome. I need to stop starting out my vlogs with hair bonnet because I feel like it's not giving. But anyway, yeah, YouTube finally accepted my monetization. I am so happy. You guys, we did this together. It wasn't just me. The last vlog, obviously I showed you guys like me getting to the threshold and everything, but the whole monetization process, it took a toll on me. It took like 3 days after is it 3 days? It took like 4 days after I showed you guys the clip of me getting to the threshold, and I reached out to some of the people that helped me do this, because I said we did it together. I'm not taking the glory all by myself. And they decided to help me out. Okay, what to do, how we going to solve the problem and everything, and I'm happy that I was able to get that out of the way. So I made it public on my Instagram that I was monetized yesterday, and everybody was sending me messages, thank you. But I got a lot of questions, like a lot. Everybody's asking, how come you've been on YouTube for 4 years and you were not monetized? I have a YouTube channel. I'm also facing the same thing. My watch time keeps moving. You guys, I have all the answers to those questions. I just told everybody I will bring the gist on YouTube so they could go watch it and know what was my problem and why it took me that long to get monetized, and how I found out my problem and everything. So yeah, just stay tuned for that video. Before you're watching this vlog, the video must have gone up, so I have a link below. I wanted to say this, now that I'm monetized, I'm actually taking my content seriously. I did an audience review. What do you guys think about the first quarter of the year, about my type of content and everything, just to know if my content really worked out for me while trying to hit the monetization goal. And you guys, I got a lot of amazing feedback. I'm going to tell you, if you're a YouTuber, try doing feedbacks. Ask people that watch your videos what they think about the content you put out, maybe in every 3 months or every 6 months, so you would know if there's something you need to stop doing, or if there's something you need to change, or if you're doing perfectly fine. For me, a lot of people point out a lot of things which drew my attention, and I was like, wow, really, I have been making these mistakes and I didn't know, and I went ahead to correct them. And you guys, I'm not going to lie, I corrected them for all the videos I filmed from January till March, and it made a huge difference. Okay,
what else?
Should've let you go, should've let you down. Black on black, did you notice? A little bit of compromise just to fully load it. Just in time. Keep the door cracked, let the army in. Slowly sign the papers, get it all turned in on. What is home? I just wanna know. I'm the one who got away, yes. You're the one who has to pay. And one thing's for sure, I'm bringing out the cheap champagne. Raise the glass and celebrate us being done. 'Cause love ain't enough. Easy for you to hang up the phone. Now you're crying alone. Simply confusing how you could be so close but still so out of reach. Saying you would be done through a screen, but now you stay hung up on me. Hung up on me. Hung up on me. Who wouldn't be?
Guys, so I'm on my way to go get my nails and lashes done. Today is Thursday, and yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update about what I'm about to do. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, subscribe if I've not said that already, and welcome to a new vlog, guys. The weather looks good because it's been raining non-stop for some time now, so I like the way the weather feels.
You were leaving me on red, you were leaving me on silent, but when you left you were silent. Weren't trying to hide the fact that I ain't you. Used to be my room a cyan blue, always turning up the brightness. You said you wanna see me shine even in the night, guess it was a lie. Cause I call you and it's straight to sorry, I can't make it. All my favorite memories have been erased. The gallery of pictures blurring out the faces, burning down the bridges. Guess you couldn't take it. Guess I'm too high for you now, to cry for you now.
Stove cooked this.
Ooh, I think she like me. Ooh, I think she like me. I'm the top shot that spent my show and bought a watch piece. She wanna get a residual, shorty stretching it, wanna get physical. You can never finesse my money long. All my bitches are bad just like neon long.
Wasn't built on the backs of the slack ones. I been pulling back tons reggaeton. Dressed to impress a dark room, no warning for the lip gloss. Strawberry click boss. Rah. Look at rah.
I can never let a bitch finesse me. Getting money, only talking if we sexin'. I'm the waving shawty tryna jot a jet ski. Yeah, finesse can't finesse me.
I can never let a thing finesse me. Know some shorties round the way who's looking deadly. I just wanna ball like the SBs. Shorty said I kick that game just like I'm Jet Li. Said she got that wet baby.
This is my extension. She's so pretty.
She used to play with Messi. Every time a nigga link up, she always ready to cash out. I blow her mind, then I back out. Then I'm back on the road cause it's mapped out. Yeah, don't fuck with no gold digger. Bitch, I am no bubs, go fuck with them old niggas. Some of these rappers is bold, don't let me expose niggas. My bend never fold, always stay down, always 10 toes. That's word of my folks, nigga, I'm rolling. Yeah, ask the Phoenix, we supplying the wave.
Guys, this is the best set she's ever done for me, and she tried a new technique today, and it's really, really nice. Damn. Guys, I just got back. My pants tore, I swear. It tore when I was on my way to do my nails, and then I was already halfway done. I was like, I beg, let me just finish the journey, right? And then after I was done walking back, it's evening, and I guess that's the time everybody's trying to go out. Everybody just on the way. I'm like, I'm just holding my pants like this, and it actually tore in front, not on a bus, but something that I can manage till I get home. But I just felt like people looking at me. It made me very uncomfortable. I was just, in fact, I was running, running because, and then I saw like some black guys. They were looking at me. They're like, what's wrong with this girl? But that's not my business. You guys, let's talk about my lashes. She nailed it. I mean, this is the best lashes she has done for me since she started doing my lashes. I want to edit some stuff. I've not even eaten all day. I'm so hungry, but I'll fix that. But let me try and edit some of the videos that I have. Guys, editing these days is getting me. Sometimes I want to be in that editing space to give you guys the best videos, but then at the same time it's like you know, at the end of the day, people skip, so that it can discourage somebody like to take that time to actually edit videos. If you check out lately, I've just been lazy with my editing because you guys skip my videos. Stop skipping. Look at these two things that came to sit down here. I don't know what they're looking for. They better go away, but I guess because I've been wearing makeup a lot lately, that's why they are there. Okay, update on the burns that happened to me. This is what it's looking like now. So yeah,
you the one I could love forever.
Who I know who could love me better. You can ask me whatever, whenever. Got me feeling as high as a tenor. No cap, no cap. Been there, done that. We been where it wasn't good, but good enough for our love. Fresh face, thumbs that. Bad days, press back. Back when we were much younger. You say you got ghosts, I got ghosts too. Heard you got angels hurt, they do the most too. Girl, I've been calling, oh, but it never goes through. Never goes through. Pick up the phone, boy, yeah. Said that you been leaving and I should've stopped you. Didn't have a reason, but I had to call you. Hoping that you pick up saying everything is all good. You say you got ghosts, I got ghosts too. Heard you got angels, heard they do the most too. Girl, I've been calling, but it never goes through. Pick up the phone, yeah. Pick up the phone, yeah. Oh, I've been trying to dial you. Ebony hands to your heavenly flame. Had a heart in my skin just to harbor your wave. When you cut out my tongue, it gets harder to say all the words. Had a hell from the top of the head to the tip of the tongue, but I stayed in my place. Should've said what I felt, could've spared you the pain. Funny cause you probably feeling the same, but I need you, I know you. I could wash it down with a soju. I would drink you in like a cold brew. I know you love when I hold you. I know you up thinking back to all the little moments we could undo. Running away to find an escape. You could've just said if you needed your space. Instead you ghost. I heard you got angels and they don't do most.